PractiCAM comes with a complete set of accessories which can be added to fittings for reporting, estimating, or quicker manufacturing. This includes turning vanes for square elbows, splitter vanes or radius vanes, round vanes and mitered elbows, and the ability to add rods or shafts to various types of duct. There are large damper libraries available for rec, round, and oval duct. Examples are single blade volume dampers, multi blade parallel dampers, opposed blade dampers, round dampers, oval dampers, and much, much more. There are allowance accessories which can be associated with certain connectors, such as slips or drives, ductmater TDF corners, bolts, clips, gaskets, and round or oval flanges are available. In addition to what you've already seen, PractiCAM can automate virtually any type of internal or external reinforcement you could think of. Here we're showing different types of tie rods being placed inside the fitting. Externally, there's stiffeners of all different types. This includes different types of angle iron, L-beams, I-beams, bars, hats, C-channels, and more. Let's look at how these accessories can be applied in your takeoffs to speed up manufacturing. First, let's look at a mitered elbow. Then we'll select the option to add vanes. This can save hours worth of layout having PractiCAM cut all the vanes out for you. Next, we go to a square elbow. However, we're putting vanes into this. Notice that since some customers cut their own vanes out, software provides an option to have them burned off the plasma. There you can see a 15 count. Perhaps you're buying the rails and tracks and need to screw them into the cheeks. Well, besides getting a full report of the length of vane rail needed, PractiCAM gives you the option to burn all the holes where the rail should go, therefore making it much easier to assemble. Nobody misses a screw. Now we have a radius elbow, but we're going to add splitter vanes into it. Just select the vane type you want, choose the number or count, and PractiCAM will automatically cut each vane out for you. Notice here that even if we change the depth of this elbow, making it a drop cheek, PractiCAM will cut and miter these vanes on the fly. This is a huge time saver if you've ever had to do this before. Looking at each individual vane here, you can see they've been cut just right. For those who want to tack weld them into the cheeks, the options for cutting out the holes was added. Ever make dampers? Next, we're going to take a look at an angled boot tab. What if we'd like to put a damper in there? Just go to your damper option, select the damper you want, and have PractiCAM automatically cut out the blade for you. Want earlets or U-bolt holes? The software can cut those out too. How about preset damper shaft insert holes with independent control on both sides? Even fastener plate holes or fastener plates themselves can be cut using the software. Each of these tasks reduces labor. Let's move on to different types of accessories like filter racks. With PractiCAM, you no longer need to cut out the hole or even lay out the filter rack. Just select the one you want to use, choose the side, and the software does the rest. Here's a sample of an angled gooseneck with a bird screen option to be cut. Just choose your flange size. Plus, you have the ability to choose the side you want to filter. PractiCAM cuts out the hole and the 6 slats required to complete the fitting. How about your internal reinforcement? As your specifications choose your tie rods for you, PractiCAM can burn all the holes out for placement. This will both increase productivity and also reduces mistakes because we always know where the tie rod should go and if the fitting should get one. And of course, the same goes for external stiffeners on the outside. And let's not forget about the ability to automate each side of every allowance so that even your notching or dovetailing can be done by the plasma. Why not automate everything you can using the largest fitting libraries and accessory options offered in any CAM system today? You're only limited by your imagination.